Greetings from LBI, New Jersey. This is Jim Ferg from MarineMax, and this is the Sailfish 241CC. Here we are at the helm. You have a Garmin 10-inch display, Mercury vessel view, Fusion stereo, and a standard Horizon VHF. Mercury digital throttles, Lenco trim tabs with auto retract, your power steering. Boat has tilt wheel, nice little spot to put your phone, storage below the footrest area, great place to keep your dock lines, comfortable helm seating, armrests come down, go back up, the seat comes down, very comfortable. Overhead, this boat has the ice blue, and you have the ice blue underside of the hardtop. There's places for the outriggers. You have a glove box, PFD storage, wet sound speakers, aft facing spreader lights, and overhead lighting. It's a very nice hardtop, powder coated. In the stern, we have another fold down seat, real nice. Rod holders, storage for knives, pliers, the hose for your washdown, ski pylon. You have a freshwater shower, a ladder. Over here we have a live well. This boat also has jump seats, both port and starboard, actually just port. Behind, underneath the helm seat, a lot of storage. Nice drawers and tackle trays. Close individually. As we move forward to the bow, underneath of the helm, nice head. The table stores below there as well. Up here, the backrests. You can use them for a bolster for fighting a fish. Storage underneath of both seats. Backrest. I'm not very tall, but it's very comfortable. That table that's down below goes right here and it mounts right here. In-floor storage. You have your anchor locker. Stows away. You have additional rod holders. Pop-up bow light. Pull-up cleats. The boat is set up very nicely for fishing. Also here, your drink cooler. This has been the 241CC from Sailfish. This is Jim Ferg from MarineMax. You can reach me at 609-494-2102. Thank you.